Hello guys, welcome again to my channel. My name is Arman. For the new people who are on this channel, today we are going to do the video with the drone, how I promised to you, for Inturotel ESMERALDA Park, to see how it's looking from up. If you are new on this channel, don't forget to like, comment to this video with what do you like to see in the next video, and of course don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell like this, you know when I'm posting a new video. Okay guys, we arrive in front of the hotel. Here is the main entry in the hotel, but they stop with these gates like this. People they don't enter in the hotel. Let's go to see how is looking the stage, because somebody told me they will renovate also the main stage where they are the shows. Let's see how is looking in that side, but first let's look a little bit around. How you see, still they are doing small works here and there. They are planting some trees, they are putting some flowers around. This is the main road. How you see, still they are making also the road, the way how you go in the hotel. Or all the left sides they renovate. There is the main pool, and how you see is also a big one and a little one. Now I think you have three pools. I don't know if that one on the right, the little one, is for the kids. Like this is looking the new area with the pool. Is looking quite nice. They put also some palm trees around. I see they bring also some new trees. I don't know what kind of trees they are, but like this is looking around, like this is looking from up. Let's go a little bit in front. There is the stage. Let's go also a little bit higher. Okay, I don't know how I was looking before the stage, but like this is looking now. Still they have some stuff there. Let's see a little bit better the pool, a bit lower. It's looking quite cool, huh? Super nice. I don't know in which part to go. Still is bad weather today and there are people on the beach. Okay, let's make a little bit around. It's looking quite nice. It's looking almost done. After the massive rain of yesterday, was a super massive rain, guys. I went in Cala Petita. Half of the beach was gone. They bring more sand to fix it. Imagine how much water was to take all that sand. Okay, let's go to our business back. I try to show you everything what is possible to see. Like this is looking, and today we are on 10th of May, and it's looking like this. It's not looking bad. They have 6 days to finish everything. For sure they will be ready. The guys, they are working super fast. Every day you see big differences. I will try to make some more videos. Of course I don't go every day because I don't have time, also I need to work. Okay, let's go to see how it's looking also from this side, and also the other little pool. How you see, I show you in the first part the main pool and with the little one, and here is the other pool. I like this one. It's looking quite nice and it's closer to the sea. I think it's higher than the other and you can see better the sea from here. This one is quite nice. Last year was a bit bigger, I think. Also the people say that, but this year you have more space for the sunbed. It's looking like this. Here they finish complete the pool. I remember in the last update still there was some small work to do, but now it's completely done and is ready. I think still they need also to bring some sand after the rain to complete here, because the water took everything. But also this one is filling with water, and I like the color of the pool. Is looking, for me, almost is looking ready. What still they need to do? Some work on the bar or restaurant, what it is, and it's done, completely done. I see they finished planting also the trees here on the between these big trees. Let's try to make a nice shot with this pool. Also still I'm practicing with the drone to get some nice shots to post on my vlogs. I was watching some tutorials. Let's see how will be going on. Still I'm playing a little bit around. Okay guys, this was the video. I hope you enjoy it. If you like to support me, don't forget to like, comment with what do you like to see in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe to activate the bell to know when I'm posting a new video. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.